Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the right side track rail in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the rail is damaged or broken and the drawer isn't sliding in properly. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the fridge we're going to be using for our demonstration here. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So the rail we're going to replace is this one over here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take out these drawers here. Those just pull straight out. Now I'm going to take out the shelf. I'm just going to lift up and pull it out. So now to get the rail out, there are a couple of tabs that I'm just going to have to push in on in order for it to pop out. So what I'm going to do is just use a screwdriver here, and I'm going to push slightly up and push back. So again, I'm pushing slightly up and back on the tab. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement right side rail. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now to put it back in, I'm just going to line up these holes here with the tabs right there. And once I got them lined up, I can just push it straight up and they should snap into place. Now also keep in mind, the right side is going to be a different side than your left side part number. So you have to make sure that when you're looking this up, that you're getting the correct side, otherwise it won't fit. And now I'll put the shelf back into place. And that sits right on there, and then I can push it straight back in. And now I can put the drawers back in. So I'm just going to put that straight back. And this one here as well. Slide it in and push it straight back. Now you can close your refrigerator door and your repair is complete. Have you ever wondered how your kitchen appliances greet each other? They microwave. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.